You wake up tired even after 8 hours of sleep. Men across Orlando walk into our clinic saying the same thing. I just don't feel like myself anymore. Ignore it, and the fatigue doesn't just stay put. Belly fat creeps in, workouts stop working, and brain fog makes you forget why you walked into a room. At Svelte Medical Weight Loss in Dr. Phillips, we start with a simple blood draw. No guessing, just your total testosterone, free testosterone, and estradiol numbers. Fast for 8 to 12 hours, skip your morning workout, and come in early. Testosterone peaks in the morning, so timing matters. Once your labs come back, a board-certified physician builds your protocol. We recheck labs every 6 to 8 weeks to adjust your dose. Stop guessing why you feel off. Call Svelte Medical Weight Loss in Dr. Phillips, Orlando, and book your free consultation today.